Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is going to be the first time you guys actually see this car, me going around it. Doing a long form video. This video particularly will not be as long. I just kind of want to show you guys the car a little bit. How long I've had it, well, what my plans are to do with it. And then, but yeah. This car definitely caught my attention when I first got it. The original color to this car is a dark green metallic color, which I thought about maybe going back to that particular color or something very close. But, I got to thinking, and I went with something else. So my gut told me to do something else. So that's what I'm going to do. I drove this car around for a little while. Maybe, over the last couple months, I've had to pull it to the side just because of whatever got going on. But I don't want to intentionally put this car off. But at the same time, while it's sitting, I'm going to do some stuff to it. That's the whole point. I've owned quite a bit of classic cars, even going back to the 60s. I'm more of a 60s, early 70s classic car guy, but, this is my first third gen. And so I like it because of the year. It's around the year I was born, so it was quite nice. See the potential in it, and now that we bought a home, now we're able to kind of, after moving in, getting some stuff sorted out, now I can kind of do some more long form videos, show you guys the car and what I plan on doing to it. California car, according to the title. This is original California car. This probably tells me why it's a very low rust vehicle. Some really cool things about the car that really got my attention. Sorry, this will all get cleaned up. I have not abandoned it. It's just parts of owning all kinds of vehicles. And it looks like something's stuck. I'm gonna want to rip something. I'm gonna end up ripping something. Man, something ripped. All right, that's crazy. All right, so some sort of glue got there. All right, after I just got attacked, some receipts and paperwork here. Looks like something got repaired. Just some stuff here that looks like some electrical testing that somebody had done. Tire service maintenance, some wheel balance and rotation, some tire mounting. Just some really cool things. There's some sort of receipts back in 2005. And then, see more AutoZone receipts. I can do this both in my hands here. So this was put into a shop. It's like some lamps, some marker lamps. Wow, $1,400, whatever that they did. Wow. Some receipts, some more receipts here. Lots of cool receipts here. Back in '95. Road hazard warranty. So they got a wheel balance and rotation done. Whoever owned the car. Some AutoZone receipts. Still kind of intact a little bit. I don't know. Not these ones. Lettering's definitely gone. I like finding stuff like that on cars. Just little stuff that somebody left in their vehicle, receipts, stuff like that. Kind of cool. It leaves like a little history timeline. Kind of tells me, hey, they were working on this at this time. It's like whoever owned it, probably a very, I'm gonna say low owner, like, because when was this? When was this one done? It's just got a date, 94. First owner owned it for a little while and then sold it. Still has the general maintenance for this car. Kind of cool. It's kind of like really neat to find stuff like that. You know, hey, if you think about it, this thing's 35 years old. And then just some other stuff, some general maintenance. Some GM, some more GM warranty paperwork. And then, oh yeah, the owner's manual to the car. Is it in perfect condition? No. Looks like it had some water damage on it. Somebody left it, spilled some water on it. But yeah, kind of cool. One of the good reasons why I kept it, so I like little things like that. Kind of tells the story. You know, whoever owned it took care of it for the most part. Sounded pretty good. Got to fix the driver's side though. Wheels don't look super bad. I'll have to change out the fronts. Clean them up. I'll clean them up. I'll clean them up real nice once I show you guys what I'm doing on the outside. I'm going to start with the outside. Looks like a pretty clean car for the year. California car. Got to fix a couple little spots on the car. Got to sand out. And then just give everything a light sand to this car. Show you the engine. Yeah, I do need to get some stuff done inside here, but I'm not going to worry about it right now. I'm going to get everything on the outside done, get all this little stuff done for the car, and then I'll worry about everything else. But yeah, this thing's looking pretty good. I'll not a whole lot I got to do as far as to the engine, but a few things I needed to do. Overall, runs good, sounds good. I wouldn't hesitate to drive it, you know, a couple hours, 3 hours away and back. yeah, hope you guys dig it. Sorry it took so long to do a long form video, but it's gonna look nice when I'm done. Can't wait to show you guys the color, what I'm gonna do. What color do you think I'm going to do? And why? Just comment down below. Make sure to like the video. Also, don't forget to share it. Maybe with somebody that you know that loves nostalgic cars. Because I was gonna do something and go back to the original dark green metallic, but I got something else in mind. And I can't wait to show you. So make sure to subscribe and wait for video number 2 to come out. So anyways, if you dig it, give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video.